Hi, this is Keith with the Oak Journal, and today I want to give you a couple tips on how to hack your calendar, get more time out of the day. The first is actually use your calendar instead of a to-do list. Instead of writing out a list of things to do within your day, use your calendar, write down what you're going to do in your Oak Journal or put it in your actual calendar. Writing it down is better because you double the probability of accomplishing something if you write it down, physically writing it down. That's why the Oak Journal is an actual journal instead of an app. The second thing is if something takes less than 2 minutes, don't even write it down. Just do it right then and call it the 2x rule. Anything that takes 2 minutes or less, just write it down. Science shows that it actually takes us more time to come back to that and get up to speed than it does if we just knock it out right there. So the 2 hacks today to get more time out of your calendar. One, make sure you actually use your calendar to give yourself the time to do your to-dos. Most to-dos, again, don't get to done because we don't give ourselves time to do them. There is nothing more deflating than rewriting the same to-do over and over again as you turn the page from day to day. Give yourself time to get them done. And then anything that takes 2 minutes or less, responding to an email, just finish it. And then the last hack I'll leave you with is 3210. This is what I use to get all my emails done. For 30 minutes, twice a day, I read every email only once and I get my inbox down to 0. So I don't spend all day in my inbox responding. It allows me to get into the flow state, do really good work, and spend time on what I'm supposed to be focused on at that time, instead of being pulled back and forth between responding to requests. Unless you're a cardiothoracic surgeon or somebody that has to be on your email constantly, some salespeople do need to be more responsive. Totally understand that. I get it. That's a different role. But 98% of you out there could block time of your day to respond to your emails and just get it done. If you have emails that you get that are spam, unsubscribe to those emails. Don't just delete them because that's a perpetual process. So take the time to unsubscribe. If you do these things every day, you're going to gain a little bit more time back, be more productive, happier, and again, the best possible version of yourself. Thanks.